My name is Dr. Vijay Narasimha. I practice general and vascular surgery, and I'm proud to be practicing with AdventHealth. My main practice is vascular surgery. There are different pathologies which we deal with in vascular surgery, of which some of the commonest is peripheral vascular disease, carotid stenosis, and aneurysms. When I was a kid, I watched my uncle, who was a physician at that time, and that put the seed in me that that's the way I'm going to walk. Vascular surgery is very rewarding, very satisfying, and very challenging, and I love to do this because practicing vascular surgery is very gratifying and gives patients more time to spend with their family and with their loved ones.